This is a special podcast presentation from 700WLW.com. This is Casey Boland On Demand.
Speaking now with Casey Boland of Hanghold Capital Management. And Casey, you see these deals from time to time, often with, I think, furniture stores pretty often, where you get an interest-free loan for a certain amount of time, whatever. No interest, no payments for a year, whatever the case may be. But your point is there are some hitches.
Well, there certainly can be, and this is something that survived the big credit card industry overhaul several years ago. And when you look at this, there's the issues really associated with it are if you don't pay for the full purchase after the 6 to 12 to however many months period of time it is, you will be charged interest for the full period. And it could be a very high interest rate, so the total amount of dollars you may pay may go up an extraordinary amount.
I guess they bank on that happening to a certain percentage of people. So, again, if it's 1 year, same as cash, and you don't get it in that year, you're going to be charged interest for that entire year.
That's right. So you have to make sure that you map out the payments. So you look at the total payment divided by, let's say it's a 12-month period of time, and then make that payment along the way. Because otherwise, if you just pay the minimum payment that they send you in as far as the bill in the mail, you're going to find that you're going to owe a whole lot more down the road, as well as the interest. I think the reason why this survived the CARD Act several years ago was this is a way to allow consumers at that time to purchase items when credit was very, very tight that they needed. But if they were to be able to delay it over a long period of time, creditors were more willing to offer it, but again, charge a very high rate of interest if they did not pay it back in time.
I think another part of it was the real heat was on those who rent furniture. So this was seen as maybe the lesser of two evils?
That's right, because from the rental of furniture perspective, the cost is a tremendous amount more. Here, it really can be, in fact, just the actual purchase price divided by a specific period of time, but you have to follow through.
So beware deferred interest plans.
That's right. 75% of the major retailers out there offer different forms of financing, and a big percentage of that are these type of deferred interest plans.